What's up, guys? Welcome to Riding in God Country. We are super excited about what's in store for this year. This video is going to be like an introduction to the new series that we're going to start for beginning riders. We've been doing YouTube for a little over a year now, and I've wanted to do this since I started YouTube. I want our channel, Riding in God's Country, to be a resource for those who are wanting to start riding or just now beginning to ride. In this video series, I plan on breaking down some of the things that you might want to know about when you're starting riding. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. My hope is with our new video series is to give you some tips and some pointers, some things to look out for, all to help you on your journey to becoming a better rider. So who is Riding in God's Country? Well, Riding in God's Country is comprised of myself, Captain Graybeard, and my son, Captain Kidd, my daughter, Powder Monkey, and a host of friends that we meet and have met and continue to ride with. I wanted to start our YouTube channel because riding dirt bikes can be an awesome family pastime. It brings you closer together, it lets you go out and experience things. It lets you see the beauty of nature, the things that God has created, and it is so awesome to be able to spend time with my kids. It's such a blessing to be able to go out and ride dirt bikes and have fun with my kids and just do something that we all enjoy. We live in a beautiful part of the country as well. We are fortunate that spearhead trails are very close to the house, so we can go ride on those trail systems, and it is awesome. Some of the views are breathtaking. With each time that we get to go ride, we just get better, and that's awesome. You want to progress as a rider, you want to get better, you want to make it easier on yourself to go riding and have fun doing so. And we've had such a blast, such an awesome time. We saw some beautiful things. Hey guys, I've got a special announcement. This year we are getting sponsors. They're AOT, always on top. You can go to aotracing.com and look at their cool gear sets, and I can give you a discount. I will put a link down in the below to let you get that discount code.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh. I bet the dollar got on the camera.